It is rich in proteins and nutrients. Moong dal is easy to digest and to protect the children from diseases. Thank you. Happy morning, everyone. My name is Anika from grade 2E. The craft is made with Bengal gram. It is also called as chickpea. There are two types of Bengal gram. They are Kabuli and China. India's largest.
Children, you tell me what are these? What are these?
Seeds.
Yes. Now we will see how these seeds will become as a small plants. Okay. These only seeds, no? Yes. Now I will soak these seeds. See, I'm giving some water. I'm giving some water and I'm soaking these seeds. Wow, I gave some water to the seeds. See? Yes, I gave some water to these seeds. And see? And this we have to leave the whole night. The whole night we have to leave them. You should not touch them. Okay? After that, see, this tiny seed will open its stomach. It will open and small roots and baby plant will come from this tiny seeds. See, all these plants came from where?
From
Seeds. And what is this process called? Germination of seed. So, what is this process called?
Germination of seed.
What plants need to grow?